Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom ROM on Samsung Galaxy Tab A6. Okay, first we need to unlock the bootloader. To do it, open up the settings, then scroll all the way down, then click on About tab, and when it comes to the exact model number, it's SM-T585. That's the version that I have, and I have a custom ROM for this version. Same thing with the custom recovery. Now, we gotta go to software information, and in here we have the build number. We gotta tap on it a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Also, you need to be connected to the Wi-Fi. If you are not, go to connections and connect to available network. Go to developer options, and in here we have OEM unlock feature. You gotta enable this feature. Thanks to that, we will unlock the bootloader. In my case, it's already turned on. And now we need to power off the device, so hold the power key and click on power off. Now we need to download a few things. First, visit our page, HardReset.Info, and go to download section. In here, type Samsung drivers, click on search. Select these drivers on the right side and hit the download button, Samsung drivers. Then go back, type Odin. I don't know why it's lagging a little bit. Weird thing. Like 10 minutes ago it worked. Now type Odin and select the latest version, 3.14.4, and also hit the download button. And then type ADB and select mini ADB and flexible drivers and also click on download. Okay, that's all from our page. Then open up a new tab. It's a link to the mega page. The link will be in the description of the video. And in here we gotta download custom recovery and our custom ROM. Let's begin with the custom recovery. Double click, and in here we have three custom recoveries that we can download. We have Orange Fox and two versions of TWRP. In my case, I want TWRP, this one in the middle, b2.tar. So right click, download, and standard download. In my case, it's already downloaded. Then go to custom ROM, and in here we have three custom softwares. I'm about to install the Lineage version 21.0 with Android 13. Double click, and in here we gotta download those two files. Right click, download, and standard download. Let's wait until it's installed. Actually downloaded. And now go to Downloads folder, and in here we have our Odin, Samsung drivers, ADB drivers, and our software, and also the TWRP. Now, we need to extract the Android ADB drivers, Samsung drivers, and Odin app. Those three files, you can use WinRAR for it, right-click, WinRAR, and extract to. You can also click on extract all if you are interested. And now we need to install the Samsung USB drivers. Double click. Click on yes to install. Oh, my bad. Click on next. Select your language, next, and install. It's going to take a little bit, so we need to be patient, but I think that will take up to 5 minutes. Now, let's go back to the downloads folder. And now we need to install the ADB drivers. So launch the folder, open it up, and begin with ADB setup. Press Y on your keyboard, enter, Y, enter, Y, and enter. Okay, if it disappears, it means that it worked. Now launch ADB fastboot. Next. In my case, it's installed, so select repair. In your case, it's going to look a little bit different, but all you gotta do is to click on next, 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 and then wait until it's installed. Then click on finish, and then universal ADB driver setup. Also select repair, because it's installed. And then close. Okay. And now we gotta keep waiting until our Samsung drivers are installed. And also, if you are installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart your computer after that, so everything will work properly. Because if you don't restart, something may not work. Okay, now we gotta install our custom recovery first. So launch the Odin, open up the folder, and launch the program, the exe file, and click on OK. Now, go to Options, unselect Auto Reboot and Factory Reset Time, click on AP, go to Downloads, and select TWRP. Click on Open. OK. Now we need to enter the download mode on our tab. To do it, we need to hold Power key, Volume down, and Home button at the same time. And tab needs to be turned off. So hold all three buttons. Let me only grab the tab in the comfort way. OK, it needs to look like that. Now click on Volume up, and we are in download mode. OK, now connect your... actually, first we need to wait until Samsung drivers are installed. But we can already connect our tab to our computer using the micro USB cable. I highly recommend to use the original cables because if you have some bad quality micro USB cable, it may not work. Okay, I'll repeat once again. If you are installing Samsung drivers for the first time, you should restart your computer because something may not work if you don't. Then click on Finish. Okay, also it's important that in Odin app, under ID.com, we need to see the numbers. That's our tab that has been connected thanks to the cable. And it's really important that you need to see those numbers because if you don't, also something may not work. Okay, now click on Start to install your custom recovery. Okay, as you can see, it worked. And now we can close Odin for now. And now let's enter our custom recovery. We gotta hold Power key, Volume down, and Home. When the screen turns off, we gotta start holding Home, Volume up, and Power button. So first, hold Power key, Volume down, and Home. You gotta hold them at the same time, and it's a little bit uncomfortable. But keep holding. Now switch. And when you see the Samsung logo, you can release the Power key, but keep holding Home and Volume up. When you see the logo, you can release. Let me clean the screen a little bit. Okay. Now slide to the right side. Go to Wipe. Format data. Type the word yes, and then confirm. Go back. Select Reboot and Recovery. Then swipe. And now, if you go to your PC in File Explorer, as you take a look, our tab has appeared. Now, double click on internal storage, and into that folder we gotta copy our Lineage and NIC gaps. So Control C, internal storage, and paste. Okay, it has been copied. So now go to Install and begin with Lineage, swipe, that's our software, and then we are going to install the NIC GApps, because without them we wouldn't have access to Play Store and all Google services, so that is why we'll also have to download it. Actually install it, not download. Okay, as you can see it's going, so we gotta keep waiting. We can also now unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore. Okay, now go back and select NIC GApps. And then slide to the right side to confirm. Okay, and now select Reboot System. As you can see, we have a custom animation. We'll go through the setup process and I'll show you that everything works. Okay, click on Start. Select the language, then click on Next. Next. I'm about to skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that the setup process will be much faster. Click on Next. I don't want to restore apps or anything like that. Click on Next. 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 Now I don't want the screen lock, so I'll skip it. Next. Start. And I should take a look. Everything worked perfectly. We have our tab. Everything works. We can go to settings. About tab, and let's take a look. We have the Lineage with Android 14. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.